What's up everybody? Today we have another awesome package. Probably can already guess what it is. Yes, another 3D printer. We had to. We just had to. Have one, why not have two? You just have to do it, don't you? So we got the Ender Reality Ender 3 V2. I decided on this one just because it's better than when I had the Ender 3 version 1 Pro. Just seemed to be better than that one that I had from the reviews I was reading. It's the same upgradability as the other one I had, same parts wise and all that stuff. So we're gonna dive straight into this. I'm looking at some other ones as well. Probably gonna buy another one here in the near future and go from there, just so I can keep pumping these products out for you guys and make sure the quality is just super. So let's dive straight into it. Nice little manual here, all the good stuff inside we probably don't need to read, but maybe you do. Then we have the printer itself. This is also a kit you have to assemble. It comes in pieces, as you can see here. Not that big a deal, not that hard. There's plenty of guys on YouTube talking about it that tell you how to do it and install, and just it's not bad at all. Alright, so here's everything you're going to get in this kit if you buy the Ender 3 V2 as of 2021. They may update this or change it, but this is as of this is June of 2021 when we're unboxing this, so this is how it's going to come. You're going to get the printer itself with your hotbed and the base plate. Power supplies now are converted to the bottom versus on the Ender 3 Pro or just regular Ender 3. It was right here on the side, kind of bulky and in the way. They put it on the bottom. Very nice touch. I really like that. As far as everything for upgrades in this, you do get a different build plate with a different way to attach it right here, which is going to be interesting. I'm not sure if I'm going to use this one or not. I don't know if it's glass. Really don't look that much. I did upgrade mine to the glass plate. It was super. So you're also going to get this new screen that they have with it. It's supposed to be a lot better interface and updated firmware and all that good stuff. Just whereas like sometimes in the Ender 3, or at least for me, I don't know if y'all have experienced it, you'll try to do the dial and it won't work. Sometimes it will work. It won't hold its temperature settings that you store it to sometimes. Just some little firmware issues and just some finicky things. Nothing too crazy. It's just something that's kind of annoying if you use a printer all the time. Then this is going to be one of the things that moves the axis up and down. It's going to turn. It's got a little motor gear in here. Filament's going to enter. This is all plastic. You can upgrade this to the metal one. I'll probably take that off my Ender 3 or just buy another kit and keep it on this one. And this is where it's going to sense the axis here. All this is essentially the same for the other Ender 3. Just change a little bit of different stuff here. Like I said, the design of it and the way the build plate. Get some belt tensioners right here. I think that's really cool. I like that. Then here's going to be your hot end you're going to get. It's enclosed in this little case, kind of, I guess, more aesthetically appealing. Still going to be the same. I don't believe it's an all metal hot end. Actually, this one kind of does look like it. My other one's got a anodized red look to it. I'm not sure. Also, probably upgrade to the Capricorn tubing. You want to if you're going to print at higher temperatures and everything. I've removed this as well on my other one. You can keep it on there, but whatever you do, this has to, I don't know if it's an upgrade. I think this is maybe the same, just different fan and everything on the outside of the assembly to be more aesthetically pleasing. Not quite sure on that one. Then here you're just going to get the same stuff you got with the other one. Just some tools to help adjust it and assemble it, or if you got your own tools, and some zip ties to help cable management. Your little butter knife scraper, power cord, and it's really it. And then you got your nice manual. The manual's pretty good. Like I said, there's plenty of people on YouTube show you how to assemble it. This thing is so much quieter than the Ender 3 V2. All I hear is the fan running. The other one you'll hear, eh. This one's perfectly silent. Okay, so I've got some glue stick down. We are leveled as much as I can get it. See, I was messing up a little bit. Well, those all answered for me. But we have it setting. It's preheating right now to the settings that I put in there. I got everything uploaded to the new card, inserted in here. I have my filament's been drying. We're just using Overture PETG for right now, just do some test stuff. I'm gonna go insert that into the voting tube as soon as this tip gets hot, and then begin our first print. Also, a quick little note, I really like this add-on they did when you put the filament in here and you can just turn this, watch it go through. It's a lot easier than having to shove it in there. At least that's how I did on Ender 3. Maybe you could do this on that one too. I just wasn't aware, but I thought that's really cool to point out. It comes standard on it. It's just a really little thing that clips to the top just like this. It just helps it to load filament a lot easier. There we go. I apologize for the noise in the background. I just finished painting, the fan's on, but first print does not look bad at all. Had some stringing at the bottom, but it seemed to lay itself out, and that does not look like a bad print at all. It's very good. Well guys, that was it. The new 3D printer is working flawlessly. I couldn't be happier with it. The new firmware is amazing. I love the way it performs. I love the way the interface is set up. I just love everything about it. It's really easy to use. It's really cool, and I just love it so much more than the other one I had. So if you definitely want one, I recommend getting Ender 3 V2. It's top tier. Really the best budget friendly one in a way that I personally have hands-on experience with. So I apologize, it's pouring down rain, so if you hear that in the background, but yeah, if you really liked the video, guys, please leave a like down below. If you didn't, leave a dislike, and remember to subscribe, please, and stay tuned for all the cool content we're having coming up, all the new products we're having, and just all the cool RC adventures we're going to do, and we'll go from there, guys. Hope you all have an awesome day. Thank you.